and welcome everyone in the second episode of Reinventor Talks, sponsored by SSCAD, 3D modeling and 3D printing company. I am Shreyas, back with a new video and new guest. Today's our guest is very special. Before introducing him, let's talk about his achievements. He is the founder and CEO of TG Innovation Company and TG Innovation Robotics team. His company works in the field of 3D printing, PCB designing, product and project development, workshops, webinars, AI software development, and his company also works in the small category of robots like line follower robots and mesh falling robots and many more. Guys, you don't believe all these achievements are of 11th standard guy. He is just 16-year-old. So let's move and know more about his success. So Tarun, welcome to the Reinventor Talks. We'll start directly from your introduction. So introduce yourself with our audience.
My name is Tarun Goenka and I'm the founder and CEO of TG Innovation Company and TG Innovation Robotics team. We develop microbots. We basically focus in nanotechnology, but we are slowly moving into big bots such as RoboWars, and we are planning, but our main focus is on autonomous bots, small microbots such as line followers, micro mouse and other autonomous bots. So we also participate in many space related events and other international competitions such as the CN2 crash discovery competition and many other. So this was my basic introduction, and we started this company TG Innovation 2 years back, but we took it a step further this year, and we have planned many more things for the future, which we'll keep on adding and everything.
So we'll start from the first question. The first question is, we all want to know about how you started learning about robotics and software development and all.
Robotics. So basically, when I was in class 7 or 8, I had I took some toys and a toy car, and all people do like that only. Basically, it's the place where we start the interest, and we develop the interest for robotics. So first I would make many small projects from I would see in YouTube, and then I'll try to make it myself. But slowly, in our school also we had a lab known as the Atal Tinkering Lab. So when it started, then we got a new opportunity. Then we started participating in many events such as IIT Guwahati, Bombay. So then we got a new exposure. We learned about autonomous bots and everything. Then this is how the journey started. Then we planned how to make a team. First we were in a team, but then we shifted and made our own team. So this was a basic journey.
So initially you set some of your goals. Then what was your goal and how you started working on for your goal?
Yeah, so I made a goal that from this year I have to start my own company. From this year I have to develop this bot or a particular drone or anything. So first we planned, and then we started working on it. First we did a lot of research on that topic. For example, line follower. In line follower we started doing many researches. We had talked with a few teams. They also helped us. Then we started seeing some YouTube videos, learn about PID and other basic PID codes, how the motors work, and we have to learn everything because A to Z we should know everything before starting or making a robot. If we don't know from where to start and what we have to do next, we cannot develop an autonomous bot specifically. So yes, then we started developing our we started research on our sensors and everything. Then we had the tie-ups with few teams. They helped us in making the robots, and yes, that was the basic concept.